Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're in Dallas and we're about to check out another investment property that I just made. I know you guys are ready to go, so let's check it out. All right, here we go. Here is the main living area. Here's the gas fireplace. Breakfast area, kitchen, complete with gas stove, double oven, island. Here's the washroom. Okay, let's go head down this hall here. This is a 3-bedroom home. Here's the first bedroom, complete with ceiling fan. Here's the second bedroom, ceiling fan. Here is the second bathroom, 2 closets. Okay, let's go check out the master. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. Here's the master. Let's check out the master bath. Dual sinks, garden tub, walk-in shower right there. Laminate flooring throughout and brand new carpet. In the bedrooms. There you go.